Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody left me a message on one of my videos, and if I understood it right, he's actually asking a question that is in Photoshop, but he says, is there a way to do it in Corel? So I'm going to hold down the control button and make a perfect circle. I'm going to hold down the Shift key. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard and then hold down the Shift key. And then if I hit the plus key again, I can just keep making circles. And if I do that, or if I control D and make a duplicate, it'll just keep making them the same distance apart. But I'm a little bit confused, but I think what he's asking, you can also do it with the space bar. We draw a circle, holding down the Shift key and the space bar at the same, hold down the Shift key, hit the space bar. Hold down the Shift key, hit the space bar, hit the space bar, hit the space bar. Now they're not equal, but they are growing at whatever rate I want them to grow. And then I just keep hitting the space bar to lock that copy there. I'm hoping that's what he was asking. So let's go over that again. That might have been a little bit confusing to some of you. I got rid of some of my graphic. You know, if you ever want to delete these lines without touching those, hold down the Alt key and swipe through here, and it'll grab everything and hit delete. Of course, I didn't hit that one. Anyway, we got a circle. Let's make it red this time. Let's make it a little bit thicker so maybe you can see it on the screen better. We'll make it 10 points. Yeah, so big, 25 points. Here we go. Now, I'm going to hold down the Shift key so it'll grow from the center. And I'm going to take one of the angles. If you do it here, it doesn't grow from the center. It will grow from the center, but it does like that. If you use this handle, it'll grow outwardly. And then I'm going to just touch the space bar. Keep moving, touch the space bar. I'm just pausing for a second, hitting the space bar. So you could do this for a lot of things if they don't have to be equal. And just like I said, if you hit the holding down the Shift key and make it little, if you can, let's get rid of this one. If you control D and move it with the space bar, and then control D again, every circle is the same distance apart and they're equal. I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.